Memorizing your basic multiplication facts is a challenging, yet really important skill for 3rd and 4th grade students. Being able to quickly and accurately recall your basic facts will help students not just in elementary school, but all the way through their high school career. Some strategies that students use, like flashcards or writing their times tables 5 times each, help some students, but not all students learn in that way. According to research, one of the best tools you can use and one of the best strategies is to use a multiplication table like the one I have shown here. When you connect what you see with what you say with what you hear, makes things cement in your brain much quicker and more long-lasting. It's actually why students memorize their 2 times tables and their 5s and their 10s so well, is because they do that from such an early age. They sit in class and they say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, or they count by tens, and they do that over and over again until it becomes automatic. But you can actually do those with other numbers as well. We just don't do them as much at an early age. So what I recommend is to get a multiplication table just like this and have students repeat and read the skip counting patterns for 3s and 4s. We'll start there. So you want to be able to look at the multiplication table and you just go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And again, when you connect that to what you see, with what you hear, with what you're saying, it helps the brain process and cement that in your brain for when you need them later. And so you keep practicing and saying it orally out loud. Maybe, when you get a feel, maybe close your eyes so that you're not looking at it and you're seeing it, you can repeat it. And you want to work on that with your 3s and your 4s first before moving on. Because once you can repeat that skip counting pattern, then when you're asked to find something like 3 times 5, you can go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Got it. Or when you're asked to do 4 times 7, you can go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Got it. And the more we repeat and the more that becomes automatic, just like with our 2s, 5s, and 10s, we've now cut out about 2/3 of the multiplication problems. If you can work up to the 6s and 7s, you're talking about 75 to 80% of the problems already down as long as you can work on your skip counting. This multiplication table is a great, great tool, and practice reciting those skip counting patterns orally, and connecting that to what you see and what you hear will help them land quicker and for more long term. Good luck.